How water can free us cooking gas and electricity for everyone. Imagine a world where the most abundant resource on our planet, water, is the key to freeing us from the grip of energy bills and fossil fuels. Gas for cooking, free. Electricity for your home, free. All powered by water. No more paying for gas, electricity, or even fuel for your vehicle. The idea is simple. Using water, we can create HHO gas, which can replace traditional cooking gas. And with that same fire, we can power a boiler, generate steam, and use it to run a steam engine. This steam engine can be connected to a 5 kilowatt or even a 10 kilowatt generator, producing electricity for your home, office, or even an entire community. No matter where you are in the world, water is available. And with this simple idea, we can harness it to live independently without relying on governments or big corporations for energy. But nothing is 100% efficient, and nothing is truly free. There are challenges, but the potential to create a self-sustaining energy source using water is real. Together, we can make this a reality. Whether it's in your kitchen, your home, or even your vehicle, the power of water can change everything. This is just the beginning. Join me as we explore how to make this idea come to life step by step. The future is in our hands, and it all starts with water.